this class is about a slip tool. So come to the point, and here we again in the timeline panel. So this is slip and slide tool. Hold on 1 second and you can see slip tool, which is the key of the slip tool is Y, and the slide tool, the shortcut key of the slide tool is U. If you want to use the slip tool, simply press Y from your keyboard. And if we want to use the slide tool, simply press U from your keyboard. So this slip tool allows us to change the in and out position without affecting its position on the timeline. By using the slip tool, you can simultaneously adjust in and out points of a clip while keeping its overall duration intact. For example, select the video and move on to the right side. You can see there is no change. Look at the program panel and you can see the amazing change in the video. Look at this. I hope you can clearly understand what I am talking about. So this is a slip tool. Now you can see, but the clip's content changing while maintaining its position on the timeline. The portion of the clip visible before and after the drag reflects the content that is being slipped within the clip's original duration. So this tool is very useful when we want to change the specific portion of a clip that is visible without affecting its placement or duration in the sequence. So this is a slip tool. It is very interesting. I am pretty much sure that you can easily understand what I am talking about. This is a slide tool too. Slip and slide tool. What is slide tool? The slide tool allows us to move a clip's content left or right on the timeline without affecting its in and outs. This tool is particularly useful when we want to rearrange the order of a clips within a sequence. If we want to change the arrangement or we rearrange the order of the clip in a sequence, we can use slide tool. This tool is particularly useful when we want to rearrange the order of the clips in a sequence, within a sequence. For example, as we drag left or right, the clip's content moves along the timeline, maintaining its original in and out position. Look at the video while we are performing this. Look at, wow, what a beautiful picture you are going to see. Look at the program panel. This is very much beautiful, and I'm pretty sure that you can easily understand and love to work in the timeline with the slip and sliding tool. So the adjustment clips on the timeline adjust accordingly to make room for the moved clip. When we drag the left or right, the clip's content moves along the timeline, maintaining its original in and out points. You can already notice this. This tool is handy when you want to rearrange the order of clips without alternating their duration or affecting other clips in the sequence. When we drag left or right, the clip's content moves along the timeline, maintaining its in and out points. The adjustment clips on the timeline adjust accordingly to make room for the moved clips. Both the slip and slide tools offer precise control over the trimming and content of clips within a sequence. They are valuable for making the adjustment to a clip's movement, ensuring that we maintain the desired timing and flow of our video project.